Hey everyone, this is Riley, Bree and Grace here. Today, we have a little surprise for you all, and we're very excited because we're all getting our second cars. Get ready in 3, 2, 1. Abracadabra. Ta-da! This is our second cars. My second car is a 2024 Porsche in blue.
My second car is a 2024 Chevrolet Corvette in purple.
And my second car is a 2024 Dodge Challenger Hellcat in green.
So there you go then guys, we now have our second cars. We cannot wait to drive them, so we'll be zooming off now with our second cars. Gracias for watching this video. This is Riley, Bree, and Grace, over and out. Adios. Come on girls, let's jump into our second cars.
Okay.